What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a twist out, and I am going to be using the Pattern Moisture Milk. You guys know I love hair milks, so when she came out with the milk, I picked it up, and this is my first time trying it today, so we're going to be using it today. And then I'm going to top it with the Curl Mousse. So I've talked about the mousse before. I like the mousse. I have not used these two together. I want to see how they work together. So yeah, we're going to give this a try today. As you know, I always put my leave-ins in the shower. So I'm using the milk today as a leave-in. So I've already applied it to my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like. It's sunk. Anyway, it's soaked in pretty well. Okay, I'm not an English scholar, okay? But you guys know what I'm saying. It's not sitting on top, which is what I like. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the mousse. I do want to let you know that this does say that this is a milk that can be used on wet or dry hair. It also says that it can be used daily for moisture. So that is, I think, what it's intended for, not necessarily a leave-in. And that's how I usually use milks, is for moisture on days that I need it, normally on dry hair. So yeah, I'm really interested to see how it works like that for a wash and go. And it also says if for a pro tip, you can add oil to this to lock in some moisture as well. Basically, style as desired. So it's not a complicated product per se. So yeah, just wanted to let you know that. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Like I said, the milk is in my hair. It was let me show you the consistency. So it is a creamy consistency, kind of thick, but you know, it does spread out pretty well. And you can feel the oils or emollients in it. She does say that this is oil-based, where the leave-in is water-based. I don't know what she means by that, because the first ingredient on this is water as well, and then glycerin and everything, and then it does have an oil in it. I think coconut oil is the 5th ingredient, and then we do have a sesame seed oil, which I believe is the 7th ingredient, and then it has some extracts in it and so forth. So it does have 2 oils in it. Maybe that's what she means, I don't know. Anyway, let's go ahead and go with the mousse. So I'm going to get a few pumps of the mousse and apply it to my hair. This mousse feels so good in the hands as well. And I'm just going to start twisting. I'm not going to do real small twist. I'm going to do, I guess, medium size, not real small, not real large, just medium sized. The milk smells very much like the mousse and like all her other products besides the Palo Santo line. I have not tried that scent. I shouldn't say line, I should say scent. I haven't tried that scent, so I don't know what it smells like, but all the products that are in this bottle pretty much smell the same. So if you like that scent, you'll like the scent of the milk. If you are not a fan of that scent, then you won't like the scent. So I'm just going to say that. Getting another couple pumps. And applying it to the hair, raking it through, making sure everything is coated. I'm going to cut this in half and make this 2. And then twist. So yeah, it is the original scent, somewhat perfumey. Not my favorite scent. It can linger sometimes, but normally, you know, it goes away pretty nicely. By the next day, you shouldn't be smelling it too much. Or at least once your hair dries, you shouldn't smell it too much. I actually was gonna do a wash and go today, and then I changed my mind and said, you know what? Let me break into this pattern milk. It's been sitting here, haven't used it for a while. Didn't feel like getting under the dryer. I was like, oh, if I do a twist out, then I can let my hair air dry. I do have something to do tomorrow, so I hope it gets dry by tomorrow. If not, I'm gonna have to pull out the RaeRae and go ahead and get it dry. That's what the twister looking like so far. Looking good. Looking good. Guys, another thing, let me show you another thing I've been doing. So if you guys remember one of my videos, not too far back, I was telling you that I felt like I was seeing some breakage up here. None of you really commented on that comment except for one person. She was like, I'm glad you mentioned that. And I said I was gonna keep an eye on it. So I've been trying to make sure that I put extra moisture up there and things like that. But then what I also decided to do too, I don't know if it'll help or not, but we're gonna see, is I decided to buy some castor oil, because black castor oil is supposed to be good for hair growth. So I decided to buy some of that. I had some on hand, but it was really old, so I didn't want to use it. I went on and just got rid of it and bought a new bottle, which is right here. And I was going to apply it up there in my scalp area, just up there, and kind of massage it in. I wasn't gonna put it all over because y'all know I'm not big on raw oils. And then I said to myself, I said, you know what? Before I try this castor oil, which is real heavy, let me try the oils that I have on hand, which is the Nature's Little Secret herbal hair and scalp oil. It's supposed to seal and protect. Can y'all see that? I don't even have it in the thing. I'm sorry. I have a lot of that, so I used it. I don't know if it's supposed to help with hair growth or not. I need to read up on it. But the reason I chose that is because I love Nature's Little Secret, and that is pretty much the only product of hers that I have not tried and given a review on, I think. So, no, I know I did use it one time with when she first came out with her okra gel. I did. I used it with that and got a good wash and go, but you know, it was in with other products. I really couldn't tell, you know, really how it was working and stuff like that. And then I haven't used it since. So I said this will be an opportunity for me to use this, see how it works, see if I feel like it's helping with any hair growth or hair stimulation or whatever. So we're gonna see. If I feel like I need to incorporate the castor oil, I will. But I just wanted to try the Nature's Little Secret first. Since I have it on hand, I like the fact that it has an applicator, so I can just kind of, you know, squeeze it right in the area that I need it and not get too much, where the Jamaican black castor oil does not have that. I mean, I know I probably could try to find one and buy one, but before I spend all that money for that, I'm just going to use this. So what I did do today was, and I'm going to get rid of this middle part, guys. So what I did do today, I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. I'm trying to think through how I want to correct this hair and how I want it to fall. Is when I applied my deep conditioner, Mousse, I took some of that Nature's Little Secret herbal hair and scalp oil, and I put it in that section and let it marinate and sit there while I deep conditioned. So I was like, okay, that may be a way to get it to sink in to the hair strands, to the scalp, you know, using the heat, hopefully not having it sit on top and then cause buildup or flaking up there when I try to use a gel or whatever. So anyway, I did that today. So we're gonna see how that works out for me, and see if I can get this hair to look a little bit better. Okay, so get some more mousse. Apply it. And twist it up, okay? All right, guys, so you see what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and just finish twisting my hair, and then I will come back when it's all twisted so you can see what the twists are looking like. And yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, guys, I'm back and I have all the twist in. So yeah, they look pretty good. They look pretty good. Hopefully that'll sink in okay and I won't have any problem. But y'all know the drill. So I'm going to let these twists dry overnight and I will be back for the takedown tomorrow. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so I am back and these twists should be dry. So we're going to go ahead and take them down. I will say my hair feels very soft. So that's a good thing. Remember I did these yesterday, so they've had just one day to dry, where normally I'll do my twist and I would do them yesterday, leave them up all day today and take them down tomorrow, so they'd have an extra day to dry and an extra day to lock in any definition. So, but because I have somewhere to go today, I have to take them down today. So keep that in mind when it comes to definition and things like that, and comparing it to other mousse twist outs that I've done. Okay, so yeah, I will say that so far I don't see any, there's a little frizz. So far I don't see any flaking or anything like that that would make me concerned. So that's good. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take the rest of these down and I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I am back and this is my hair. I did separate it some, and I do have just a little bit of frizz here, halo frizz, but I still have a lot of definition and my hair is soft. It's moisturized. I know I can get multiple days out of this twist out. So yeah, I like this combo. It didn't flake. They work well together. My hair doesn't look overly shiny or anything like that, but it just looks like healthy hair. I'm trying to figure out, I want to say that I thought this did say something about adding some shine. This for creamy formula leaves strands shiny and supple. So yeah, it does say that it's supposed to leave your hair shiny and supple. I don't really see that, but I don't see it being, you know, really dull or anything like that. It did say for a boost of extra shine, use it with the oil serum, which I didn't do. So if you want more shine, you definitely can do that. I'm definitely going to try to use these two again at a later date and leave it in for the extra day that I normally do to see if I get even better results. So yeah, that'll be, well, I don't know that I'll film it, but I definitely will tell you about it if I do it, and possibly take a picture of it for Instagram or something like that if I do it, so you can see the difference. So yeah, take a good look at this. I think it's nice. It's gonna get me through what I needed to get me through. So yeah, let me know what you think. I will come back on day 3, let you know how the moisture lasted. Give you my thoughts at that time, but right now I think that I like this combo. So yeah, stay tuned for day 3. Okay guys, popping in to show you 4th day hair. Wasn't able to come and show you 3rd day hair, but today is 4th day and I'm pretty much in the house today. So I did just take off my lock sock and just kind of moved my hair around, and this is what it's looking like. So it does have, you know, some good definition still, although it is really frizzy. A lot of halo frizz, a lot of frizz on the ends. Some of this frizz I had when I took it down, but there definitely is more now. So when I looked at these products, I was like, what is going on? This milk has glycerin as the 2nd ingredient. I should have paid attention to that. And then this mousse has glycerin as like the, I don't know, 5th ingredient, somewhere around 5th or 6th ingredient. I think somewhere between the 4th and the 6th ingredient. I'm just gonna go in the middle, 5th ingredient. So still kind of high up on the ingredients list. And it has been humid here, and I'm thinking that is what's going on with all the frizz. Now, it's soft, there's no crunch, which I said that before. It was moisturized today. I feel like I need to moisturize it. So yeah, all in all, the combo worked. They worked well together. It gave me definition for sure. If I was to use this combo again, I think I would use it in the colder months. A little bit colder months because of how high the glycerin is in the ingredients, and use something else in these warmer months. But I don't think it's bad. You guys tell me what you think. I don't necessarily like all the frizz that I have. I don't necessarily like having to re-moisturize. I don't normally have to re-moisturize my twist outs, and this feels a little dry. So I'm not really sure how moisturizing this milk is, but again, you know, this is initial thoughts. I want to give it a little bit more use before I just say it's not that moisturizing, right? And this is supposed to be something you can use daily for moisture, she says, and you can use it on wet or dry hair. So I'm getting ready to use it on dry hair. I used it on wet before to do the twist out, so I'm gonna use it on dry this time and see if it makes a difference. So I'll come back and let you guys know. I'll leave a blurb here if I can, because I probably won't get back on camera because this video is gonna have to go ahead and get edited and get out, but I'll definitely leave a blurb if I can to let you know how it worked out after I re-moisturized. I'll put it that way. But yeah guys, that's it. Just wanted to come on and show you 4th day hair. Now back to the video. Okay guys, so you saw my 3rd day hair. Let me know what you think about it, how you felt it held up. Let me know if you'll try this combo after seeing my video. Let me know if you've tried these products together or separately, and what you use them with if you did, and how you styled your hair if you did. Leave all that in the comment section below so we can learn from you. And guys, yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.